Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, we are in our 1984 Land Rover 90 on our way to a classic car show and autojumble. And this car, now that it's over 40 years old, is now classed as a historic vehicle here in the UK, which means it is tax and MOT exempt. En route to the show, and it is relatively local, but we prefer to take the back roads, seeing as this isn't the fastest and we don't want to be holding everyone up. And this is pretty much where the Defender was designed to be anyway. Bumpy though, sorry for the shaky camera work. perfect Land Rover roads. We are on our way back now from the event. Sorry we couldn't get you too much footage today, because after we'd looked around the autojumble to see if there was any parts that we wanted and met up with a few friends, after that a few of the cars had started leaving already, so we got you a bit of coverage of them, but kind of not the full lineup. The next event is kind of mid-June, so I'm sure we can get some footage of that for you and hopefully get a few more cars. But for this event, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.